Hi, I'm Mary-Beth. What's more southern in summer than bowls of ripe peaches, gorgeous blueberries, huge blackberries just harvested, and all of this can be just outside your back door, or even better, in your front yard. These new DownHome Harvest varieties from Southern Living are plants worth picking, in my opinion, and I want to show you how to use them in the landscape. For instance, if you have an open sunny spot that's great for a tree, consider a peach or a pluot or a fig. There's Little Miss Figgy. It's a new introduction. It's a dwarf variety that grows about 6 feet tall, 6 feet wide, and still produces tons of fruit. I'd love for you to look past blueberries as just a fruit production and think of them as an ornamental shrub. Loads of beautiful bell-shaped flowers followed by the berries, but then also this underestimated fall color that ranges from glowing orange to flaming red. The varieties of blueberries are 2 varieties developed by the University of Georgia, Takes the Cake and Bless Your Heart. They do particularly well in our southern climate. Now this Bambino pineapple guava here, I love for the foliage alone, but it also produces gorgeous pink flowers that are edible, and they taste like marshmallows or cotton candy. But don't eat all of the flowers or you won't have fall fruit. Another plant that I love and I think is an exceptional choice for a border planting that's evergreen is Chef's Choice rosemary. It's also great for the kitchen gardener because it has a spicy flavor and a higher oil content for cooking. Now, if you think you have a spot for a rose in your garden, you may not consider this at first, but think of blackberries and their arching canes that are loaded with white flowers in spring, followed by berries like this. I mean, these guys are the size of my thumb. The varieties that we offer here are Primark Freedom, Osage, and Navajo. And these were developed at the University of Arkansas as thornless varieties. So I don't know what I'm more excited about, if they're thornless or they produce fruit like this. Now, if you have a spot for a climbing rose, say a pergola or an arbor or a trellis, consider this razzmatazz grape growing up that arbor. I can just picture the gorgeous clusters of grapes hanging down. So I love all of these for the beauty that they bring to the landscape, but I also love them for the berries, the fruit, and the flavor that they bring to the table. So when you're ready for a beautiful and a flavorful harvest, look no further than DownHome Harvest, a Southern Living plant collection.